to the dog beach today, and I wore my UV protectant underneath my sweatshirt, so it's more protective for me. It was a cloudy day out, and UVs are down because later on in the day.
Yeah, so enjoyed this video of Joe at the dog beach where, like Joe said, we were able to go because it was later on in the day. Joe wears sunscreen and UV protectant t-shirts and gloves, so that's how Joe's able to go to the beach while on vacation.